Hasn't this been a great party dip for us, Karen?
Hello, I'm Karen.
Hi, I'm Diane.
Micro Meals is a series of 245 microwave-tested recipe cards. Diane and I are wearing Micro Meals aprons for the card-carrying cook. As you see, we wear our recipe. I'm going to start preparing a recipe called Secret Sombrero Dip. Diane and I love this dish. I'll tell you now what the ingredients are in Secret Sombrero Dip. 1/4 cup hot catsup, 1/4 cup of hot catsup. Beautiful. I take Secret Sombrero Dip to, whether I'm going to a cocktail party or I'm entertaining at home. Secret Sombrero Dip really is quite a colorful dish. I'm going to place this in the oven just until the hot catsup melts. The Secret Sombrero Dip is ready.
Hasn't this been a great party dip for us, Karen?
It sure has. I've served this so many times and everybody loves Secret Sombrero Dip. We hope we've really inspired you to start cooking in your microwave.